Dear team, greetings to everyone. We just finished our live broadcast with you. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you for your feedback, for the fact that after each forecast you write down the results. During our live broadcast today, we managed to achieve, let me zoom in to show only the trades from the broadcast. 4 clear wins, 0 losses, 0 hedges. The rest were from the previous day. That's how it turned out for us. I'm very grateful to you. Now let me open a couple of trades, and for those who weren't on the live broadcast, there are planes flying here. Take care of yourselves. In our fast-changing world, unfortunately, not everything is so stable and good. Look, the currency pair, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Click on start, select the currency pair, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and the time frame, 1 minute. And now I'm patiently waiting for a specific signal from the bot. That is exactly how we have been working. So you don't miss any live broadcasts, please make sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel. And when subscribe, and you'll receive notifications an hour in advance. That's about it. Then I send a link to our broadcast. So we've requested the currency pair, and I open this currency pair. What do we have here? Usually we have 2 indicators that help us out in this situation. The first indicator shows the chart's future movement, and the second shows the percentage ratio. The majority shows where it's likely to go, but here, one points up, the other points down. I don't analyze such a currency pair. The indicators are different. I need both indicators to point in the same direction. If you want candles, you set it to candles like this. I set it to line, just for variety. Let's look for a currency pair. Here, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, 90%. That works for us. The main thing is that the percentage is good. And most importantly, there weren't any strong impulses. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, M1 time frame. We're predicting together where the chart will go. In 3 minutes from the point where we made the prediction, either it goes up or it goes down. And that is how we make money, if we do everything right. To do everything right, we look at our trading bot here, Phew, and just let it work. Of course, some people are trying to break it. That is not great. 3 minutes up. I have opened the Swiss franc and Japanese yen pair for a 3-minute duration, opened for an increase. My prediction is based on the signal the bot showed. It gave a clear signal for an upward move. There is the level of this stop, which we marked below, and there is a level above. The chart usually moves from one level to another. No matter which chart you look at, from the upper to the lower, from the upper to the lower. Right now the chart is in the middle. Either the chart will go to the upper level or it will go to the lower level. To make an accurate prediction, we looked at the bot. I'll get back to it in a moment. And here are the conditions. I set it for 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, if the chart is higher than the point where we made the prediction, we will earn $90 net profit. The $100 are ours. Let's keep monitoring it. The price is rising. Now I'll show you the bot. Remember, there are 2 indicators and they should both point in the same direction. The first indicator shows 59% that the chart goes to upper level, as extended here. 59%. 41% that it will go down. So here the signal is upward and here is the future. The chart movement is going up. 2 indicators are pointing up. Then there is a decline and it rises again. Both indicators are showing. The increase here is not appearing as confidently, but right now I'm not satisfied with a couple of them. We had such a currency pair during our live broadcast, and here, take a closer look at these more confident indicators. Look, 73%, that's right here, they are higher, while 27% are down. So according to this indicator, we have an upward signal, and even the future, not just the chart, is pointing up. The future, not just the chart. Here the signal is more confident. It's faint, but you can see it, and here is an upward signal as well. This is exactly how we work. This is how we have always worked with the bot, and this is basically always how we operate. This is my trading strategy. I have developed a complete trading system. If you suddenly start getting losses, that can happen too. It does happen. Please be very careful and be extremely cautious if that ever happens to you. I show both in my live streams and in my regular videos exactly how I manage to get out of such difficult situations. So look, if I have a long streak of 4 clean wins and not a single loss, well, of course, I took the profit there. I can't show you the trading system. But if I have losses, I show how I cover those losses. And over the long run, I end up in profit. Be sure to check out my live streams and video recordings in our Telegram channel for educational training. And the tests. Be sure to take the tests. I ask you where the chart will go, and you can double check yourself. Thank you for your activity. To those who watch the tests, who vote, because it shows me that I'm not doing this in vain. And also watch these kinds of educational videos with training. 13 seconds left. We open the trade for an increase. And here we take the profit. 6 seconds left. It ends right here. We have 3 seconds, 1 second, and it's a win. We take $90. Excellent. That's how we work. I decided to make just one trade because I need a break. And now there will be trading with the team based on forecasts. I need to take a break. With the team too, we trade according to forecasts using the same principle. And maybe you'll like short videos more than long ones. We'll see. Subscribe to the channel. Links are in the description. Good luck and profit. That's how we work. I tried to keep it short and clear for you. Just wanted to give you this reminder. Hugs to everyone, guys. See you all soon. Message me privately. I always leave my contact information. Here's how you can reach me. Write to me with questions. The bot link is in our Telegram channel. Hugs to everyone. To each and everyone.